Well, hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. I'm doing another gaming headset review, and I would like to thank the folks at Jeecoo, Jeecoo, on Amazon for sending this out for our review. Let's see if we can get a good look at this. Okay, well, we're going to check this out and see what it's like, so let's get it started. Alright folks, we're at the part of the video where we're going to unbox this, see what this actually looks like. So, I'm going to open this up, and let's see, I got to find a way to open this. Oh, there it is. Well, as you notice, the box is basically wrapped up in plastic, so well, that's really good. So let's see if we can find an opening somewhere. That's why I usually start looking for an opening. Maybe I don't have to. Ooh, maybe this. Ooh, I found an opener already. Let me see if I can work from here. There we go. Take our little plastic off of here. Alright. Now we got the box itself. Now we're going to open this up. I'm going to figure out how to open this. Let's see. Oh, it's one of those push-out boxes. Okay. We're going to push this out. Sorry for bumping the camera. Alright, so that's the wrapping. Now here's the actual box. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Let's see. First, let me see how to open it. Okay. Oh, I think I know how to open it. Okay. See? I was messing up already. I'm supposed to open on this side. Okay, basically when you get it, it's like a little flap on one side. You just open it up. Alright. There we go. Okay. As you notice, it comes wrapped up in the other. Oh, is this like a bag? Wait a minute, folks. Check this out. Oh, cool. Alright. Got a little handy carrying bag for it. That's interesting. Okay. Alright. Well, let's put this to the side. Take the headphones out of this pouch with all the contents that are in the inside of it. I'm just basically dumping the contents out. Alright. Put that on there. Alright, so first thing we notice is, I believe this is like the warranty card, I guess. Here's the user guide. You know, show you how to operate the headphones and everything. So, okay, that's cool. And, of course, the headphones themselves. Now, this particular headphone is a USB headphone. So you basically plug this in, and since I don't see no CD-ROM to install drivers from, this basically means that the software for this is already available for Windows to download. So basically, as soon as you plug this in, the software will download for it, and you should be good to go. So, of course, this is the headset right here. You got the microphone here. You can move it around. And yeah, it's a nice microphone. Yep, there it is. And the cushioning on these is very comfortable, very soft. And yep, the head pad on it, soft as well. These feel like some very comfortable headphones to have on already. Oh, okay, let's see if it's adjustable. Yep, it's definitely adjustable. Yep, there we are. So you can definitely adjust it. Oh, what's these other new features we see here? Okay. So. Oh, okay. So that's what that is. Okay, from what I haven't even read the manual yet, but I'm already figuring out some of the controls here. But like I said, I'm going to read through the manual later and find out fully how to operate this controller. But off the bat, I'm seeing that there's a mute button on here for the microphone. It's right here. You got the microphone, and then you got slash to the microphone, which means it's off. And you got the switch right beside here. It turns the microphone off and on. That's really good if you're having private conversations with your friends and you don't want nobody online to hear what y'all got to say. So that's good. Oh, it's got a nice clip too, so you can clip this to yourself. And I believe this is the volume from what I'm seeing with the speakers on here. And it appears there's also, and like I said, I gotta look through the manual first, but from what I'm seeing right here, this is also adjust the microphone sensitivity. So basically, you can adjust the volume of the microphone. Ooh, that might come in handy also as well. Oh, okay, cool. Love that. Gotta find out what this button is about. I'm gonna read about that in a moment. Find out what's going on. And you know what? Instead of us sitting here just talking about, we're gonna actually try these out. Okay, folks. We're at the part of the video where we're gonna actually try these headphones out and see what they're like. And right now, the audio you're hearing is coming from the microphone that's on that webcam. And as you notice, the sound quality is really not so good with the webcam. But in the next scene, we will have these on, and you will hear the actual audio coming from this headphone set. As a matter of fact, I'm going to see if we can actually see how this works already. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Alright. Oh, it is really comfortable. So what I'm going to do, now since it didn't come with no audio drivers on the CD-ROM drive and everything, on CD-ROM disc, so I'm just going to basically plug this in and see what happens on the computer. So let's do this. So right now it's installing the driver for the headphones. That little thing going on right here. So right now it's installing the driver. And so I guess in the next scene we're gonna actually see how this sounds. Well, hear how it sounds. So stay tuned. Alright folks, as you probably noticed, now the sound is coming from this headphone set. And one of the first things I noticed after I plugged it in and installed all the software drivers is that, you know, it lit up. And let me show you what I mean. So that's cool. I'm like, okay. And I gotta say, these are really comfortable. I definitely can wear these all day without really noticing that they're on my head at all. So I was like, okay. So I decided to go ahead and boot up Audacity to see what it sounds, check out the sound quality. Because I literally can't, right now I don't have no sound monitor right now on right now, so I don't know. I don't hear what you hear right now, so I'm going to use Audacity to see the sound quality of these headphones. So I'm going to turn this on right now, hit record. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let me stop this. Now I'm going to hear my own voice through these speakers on here. See what it sounds like. Oh my. I just heard myself through these headphones, and wow. Wow, the sound quality is really good. That's really good when you're doing chat, when you're gaming on your PC. It's only for the PC though. For your computer. It's not for the Xbox or any other thing. It's just for your computer. But the sound quality is really good, and I gotta say, I can definitely see myself using this. So I want to try out something else then. I also noticed that it had some controllers on, like I said earlier, it had some interesting features. So what I'm going to do is erase that cord, and I'm going to play with the microphone sensitivity on this headphone and see what's going on. So right now I got it, it's already at its highest setting already, so I'm going to go ahead and record and see what happens. So I'm basically playing with this button, this thing here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let me stop. Okay, so the microphone sensitivity works pretty well. Alright, let's get rid of this. And the next thing I want to try is the mute button. It's got like a mute button over here where you can just turn the sound on and off. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to record this right now. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. It appears to work on the graph according to this. Alright, let's see. Oh wow, that will come in handy when you got friends over and y'all playing video games and you don't want nobody that's online hearing what y'all talking about, so you can just cut it off and then you can have conversation with your friends. So that's cool, that's wonderful. I like that. That's cool. All right, I would get these. I love these headphones. Alright, you know what? Let's all check out some other stuff on this headphone set too. Now, as you notice, most headphone sets, most USB headphones that you install in your computer also has some separate settings that you got to go in and play around with. So let me show you that. Basically, you want to go to the bottom of the screen and look for the speaker on your Windows computer. Right click on that speaker. Look for recording devices. And then you'll go over here. Make sure that your headset is selected for the microphone, which is this right here. Right click on that. Hit properties. Hold up. I'm just noticing I'm probably blocking the thing here, so I'm gonna move this over a little bit. Alright, there we go. Like I said before, just right click on this. And then go through all the settings. Okay, it's got automatic gain control on, which means that the microphone will automatically adjust its gain based on the sound level. So it is automatically doing that right now. So the microphone is basically operating at its highest setting as far as this is concerned. So let's go to levels. And of course you can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone from here as well. So that's interesting. Alright. And of course you can change the bit rate of the microphone. On the headset, of course. And yeah, that's it. Everything checks out. If you ever found yourself having these headphone sets on and you notice that you're not getting no sound, you definitely want to check these settings out first. And you definitely want to make sure this is all the way up. Because you can always adjust the sensitivity from the controller itself. So have that all the way up. Alright, so I turn that off. Turn that off. Okay. Yeah, these headphones are wonderful. I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's wonderful. Let me see. Well, folks, I decided to shorten the video a bit because I noticed that was, when I was editing and everything, that it was getting kind of long. It got a little longer than it's supposed to. I was basically just kept playing around with the headphones and everything because, I like to hide the word and everything. And I just kept playing with them, and of course that made it long. So here we are. And basically, I like these headphones, and I like them so much, I'm going to go ahead and add an Amazon link in the description below so you can get a pair for yourself, and you're going to like it. Oh, and you probably already noticed that I got myself a haircut. So let me know if you like my new haircut. I'm just trying it out, So thank you for watching, and have a great day.